Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video. But I find it very interesting, responding to a question that you have left me, a person who has a Volkswagen and the right drive shaft broke. They put a new right shield and now he realizes that the bolts that hold the shield to the gearbox loosen every so often and have to be tightened again, and he asks if it would be convenient to put some type of adhesive glue to see. My advice is yes, in fact it is something that we usually do. Look. Here we have the right drive shaft of a Seat Ibiza, which has already had this problem. All the bolts have been loosening in this car, and in the end, all of them have broken, and of course, this car has been left without any traction on the wheels. These are the bolts. And look where the part is missing, the stud that is missing from the bolts, which is broken, is they have broken the 6 fastening bolts, and this has been because with the vibrations and the tension that this part undergoes, the bearing, well, what has happened is that they have become loose. And there comes a time when they no longer resist the tension and they break. If they had put some type here of adhesive or glue, either Knurl or another brand, okay? Well, this problem would have been avoided. Now we have removed them and you will see the remains of the threads of the bolts, and then we are going to prepare the piece, grease the gasket and so on, to reinstall it in the car, okay? That's why, as I say, my advice is that you put some kind of adhesive on it, to prevent this problem from happening again. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.